Alright, so while I was editing, I found that we lost some clips. So in this video, we're just going to be cleaning the car, like clay barring it, waxing it, and polishing it. And if you like these videos, subscribe and enjoy the video.
Alright, so it's the next day. We got the car started and running. We go for a little test drive. Today we're going to clean it. It hasn't been waxed in, I don't know, 10 years. So we're gonna clean it. First thing we're gonna do is wash it. Then I'm gonna move these cars. I'll move the grabber blue out of the way. Park the black one right here, and I'll move this one over a little bit. And we'll wax it and see if we get some of these scratches out. Here, let me see. So, watch out, Eddie. So this used to be was my first baby, I guess, but it's been sitting for a long time, and I don't know how well you can see that, but it was used as a table for a while, so there's lots of scratches everywhere. We're gonna see if we can get those out. I'm not gonna really use a hard compound on it because it's going to get repainted anyways eventually, but we're going to see what we could do. And then I don't know, years and years ago I put that spray on bra on this car. Don't ever use that stuff, it's terrible. I'm gonna see if some of it has been worn away, but the rest of it, I'm gonna see if I can get it off. It's kind of hard to see, the camera's not focusing here. But that's what we're gonna do today. So.
got the spray on bra off. So today we are gonna wax it, put on the polish, and then put the final wax on. And if it stops raining, we'll go for a drive.
All right, let's do it.
Alright, so we finished the outside, now we just gotta clean the windows and the inside. We finally got it clean. We're gonna pull it out and take a look at it. Looks 1,000 times better.
How's it look?
It looks literally like you couldn't even tell there's scratches on it.
I still need to get some of that buff wax off.
Yeah. Besides that, looks perfect. Unfortunately, we lost a lot of footage to this video, so it is just a video of us cleaning the car. We will be doing a coyote swap in the future, but we will start the upgrade process soon. If you would like to see that, please subscribe.